Look what we've got up our sleeves today. A lightened up chicken and spaghetti meal with bags of flavour. Can't wait. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly meals. Today I'm making my chicken and red pepper pasta, which is a lighter dish at only 550 calories per portion, including the pasta, but it's so delicious and it's ready in 40 minutes. We're going to start with a large pan. We're going to add about 10 sprays of fry light to the pan and turn the heat up to a medium-high heat. I've got 500 grams or 17.5 ounces of boneless chicken thighs here that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to fry them in the pan for about 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown. We're using chicken thighs because we don't use a lot of fat to cook this meal, and those thighs really retain the juiciness. Add in a diced onion and a pinch of salt and pepper and cook for about 5 minutes until the onion softens. Add in 3 cloves of minced garlic and a chopped red pepper and cook for 2 more minutes. Then add in 2 sliced portobello mushrooms, crumble on a chicken stock cube and add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and a teaspoon of dried oregano, and then stir to combine. Next in goes 2 400 gram or 14 ounce tins of chopped tomatoes. Stir everything together and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to cook the pasta. I've got a large pan of water just coming to the boil, and I'm using 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of dried pasta. That'll cook for about 12 to 13 minutes so the pasta and chicken are ready at the same time. Drain the pasta and then plate it up with the chicken and sprinkle on a few fresh basil leaves and a sprinkling of dried chilli flakes. There you go, that's my red pepper pasta, a lovely lighter dinner that doesn't taste like it's low in calories. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified of our new recipes. See you next time.